Let's take a look today at our problem set for the volume of composite figures. Show all work to receive credit. Find the total volume of the figures and record your solution strategy. This is kind of a solution strategy, and you're telling me how you're coming up with your answer. So if I'm looking, let's go with the bottom volume because it's given to me here. I have a length of 14. I have a width of 3, and I have a height of 5. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do 14 times 3, because I don't know that off the top of my head. 14 times 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So now I have 42 here, and 42 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1, 21. So I have a volume here of 210. I want to find the volume of the top figure. It looks to me like they are identical, but I can see that these line up here, and so those two are going to be the same. So this one's 14, and I see that over here, these are going to be the same. So if that's 3, then that means that this is 3. So again, I have 14 times 3, length times width, times that height of 5, which I've already done the work, and I know that's 210. So 210 plus 210 gives me a total volume of 420 centimeters cubed. 420 centimeters cubed. Let's continue on to this shape here. Let's go with the top volume. I see I have my 3 measurements. There's nothing for me to figure out. So I have length of 7, a width of 4, and a height of 3. 7 times 4 is 28, and 28 times 3, let's see. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So here we have a volume of 84 inches cubed for that top piece. For the bottom, we have a length of 15, a width of 4, and a height of 6. 15 times 4 I happen to know because of time is 60, and 60 times 6 is 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 6 is 36. So here I have a volume of 360 for that bottom shape, and 360 plus 84, 6 plus 8 is 14, 3 plus nothing is 3, plus 1 is 4. So here I have a total volume of 444 inches cubed. 444 inches cubed. Now these are cool because you can break them up however you want to break them up. This one I'm going to break it up like ones here, a second figure's here, and a third figure's behind, realizing that there's a cube behind this line here that I can't see. So that back prism is going to be 1, 2, 3. I'm going to write back. Back volume is 3 units cubed. The left volume is going to be 2 units cubed. And the right volume is going to be 2 units cubed. So my total volume is going to be 3 plus 2 plus 2, which gives me 7 units cubed. That's my answer there, my volume for letter C. Okay, let's look at letter D. I have again a back, I have a left and a right, that's what I'm going to call it, or you could call it a front and a right, up to you. Here I have 2 by 1, which is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. And then I have a height of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 times 1 times 6 gives me a volume of 12 units cubed for that back volume. Let's call it front just so that we're doing a better job. Front volume is 3 units cubed, and the right volume is 3 units cubed. So 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18 units cubed. That's the volume of shape D. I'm going to write total volume. I'd like to label it so that way I can look back and later I don't think it's 12 or 3 or 3. I know it's that 18. Okay, again, we can do a back volume. The back volume looks to be a 4 by 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives me 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16 units cubed. The front is going to be 4 units cubed, and the right looks to be 2 units cubed. So 16 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 plus 2, so I have 20 plus 2, which gives me a total volume of 22 units cubed. 22 units cubed for letter E, for shape E. Ooh, this one looks like a doozy, but let's see if it really is. So I could break this up as like a piece here, a back piece, these little pieces down here, or I could call all of this, see those 6 cubes that I can see at the top, I could call all of that 1 and count it here. Up to you how you do it. You're going to get the same volume no matter what. So I'm going to break it up so that these are all going to be in one figure. So I'm going to call that the back volume. And we have 3 by 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 by 6, which is 36 units cubed. Okay, we'll go ahead and do the right volume, which is 4 units cubed. Let's do the front, which is 4 units cubed. That's this part right here. And then let's call it middle. As long as you know what it is, that's what matters. The middle, we have 2 by 1 by that 6 of height that we found out before. 2 by 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12 units cubed. Ooh, I found 1, 2, 3, 4 separate volumes, and now I need to find the total volume. Well, I'm going to add 36 plus 4 plus 4 plus 12. Okay, 36 plus 4 I know is 40. 40 plus 4 I know is 44. And 44 plus 12 is 56 units cubed. That's my total volume right there. Hopefully this helped you see a couple more practice problems, and maybe it was used to check to make sure you're doing it okay. Remember, composite volume is just finding the volume of different figures and putting them together.